Alright, I'm gonna go answer the door, and y'all can go ahead and just, like, clean this place up, because if Mario comes back and this place is a total mess, he gonna kick me out, that's gonna kick y'all out, and we both gonna be looking for a house. And that ain't happening. Okay, so I'm gonna go answer the door. Alright, we're gonna clean it up. Alright, cool.
Come on, guys, jeez. Oh, nobody cares about what I think. Nobody ever asks me what I'm doing or if they want to come and attend my parties or anything. Chad hasn't even called me today. He hasn't even sent a text message or nothing. Today's just horrible. Maybe I should just knock on a window. But I already knocked on this door, and they might come to this door, and I'm already at the window, and then oh my God, my life's just screwed up. God hates me.
Alright, man. See what this man wants.
Yay!
Oh, heck no.
Yay! I knew that 15-second prayer would work. He's cute.
Oh, man. First of all, we're gonna set some ground rules. Hey, first of all, get off me. Back up out my little bubble.
Okay, Big Daddy.
Ooh, no. Never say that again. Is that makeup, folk?
Yeah, it's Dolce & Gabbana.
It's about to be Dolce and go get my Glock and bust it all up in you. Folk, first of all, get away from me. No wearing makeup.
Why?
No. Second of all, don't touch me. Don't think about touching me. Don't even have that little urge in your body to go up and say, hey, let me touch you. Don't do that.
Can I at least call Chad?
Third of all, no calling Chad. I don't want no Chad. I don't want no Terry. I don't want no boo-boo, no tutu, no click-clack-clack, weedwood. I don't want none of that. And then fourth of all, once you walk outside these doors, you can be whoever you want to be. But once you're in the house, don't be how you are around me, folk. I can't handle that, folk.
Ooh, you're so feisty.
And don't ever say that to me again.
Okay.
So let's go find you a place to sleep away from me and all the other regular people in the house. Let's go. Don't follow too close behind me because I don't want to drop no soap and just be like, no. No, folk. Get in the house. Alright, man, this is the room.
Okay.
What is that?
I got it on my purse. I had it.
None of that. That's gay. Alright, man. Wait. I told your brothers that they need to clean up my room because they destroyed it. So, if it ain't clean, you and your little homies, y'all are out.
So mean. Oh, my God. You don't gotta love her, do you?
Oh, the TV, folks. The walls.
Oh, my God.
That's good, man.
Oh, so beautiful.
Don't shut up, man.
Did you do this, Big Red?
Yeah, we did it. I'm a beast, yeah. Oh, folks, you my bird. You my bird. Give me some.
I thought I was your bird. Oh, my God.
Oh, no,
cheating on me now?
Hey, you need to do something about him. That's just too much.
Yeah, man, I tried to, like warn you or something, dude, but
listen. You're supposed to overly warn me. You slap me a little bit, be like, Black Yoshi, he gay. No, folks,
I'm not gay, I'm sexual. It's a difference.
Do something about him.
You want me to do something about it now, man? Alright. Tony, you cannot sleep in our room now, man. You just can't.
Oh my God, you guys are not fair. I wanted to book with Taliban.
No! You gay!
What about you, Blue?
No.
You guys aren't fair at all. First I had to work outside in like 120 degrees, and all my makeup smeared, and you guys won't even let me bunk with you anymore? Oh my God, I don't love any of you anymore. You know what? Tough nipples, guys. I'm asleep in the closet. You're all missing out, especially you. I'll see you guys in the morning. I have fun by myself anyway.
Thank God he's sleeping in the closet. Now I can't hear his mouth.
Chad. My day was terrible.
You spoke too soon.
There it is, boys. That is the house where the birds moved. Yes, we're gonna get them this time.
Okay, we need to act like pigs so they won't know that we're coming. Hey, you. What's your name, son?
It's Ray. It's Reiki. Yeah.
Well, I need you to oink for me, okay? Give me an oink. Oink for me, oink.
Okay, I'll oink for you, master. I'll oink. Oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Is that good? Is that good?
Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. You a stupid one. You give me an oink. Come on, give me an oink. What was that? I want an oink. An oink. No! An oink! 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 Good enough. Let's go, boys.